Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy your Floki Inu coin on your OKX mobile app. As you can see, the app is currently opened and my account is currently logged in. Do make sure you possess some cryptocurrency. I do possess USDT, so we're going to be using that for this transaction. So in order to be able to buy your Floki Inu on the OKX app, you're going to have to simply move from the light version to the pro mode. So simply scroll down, click on the icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once it's opened, you simply scroll down and simply click on switch to pro advanced trading. Click on that, click on switch to pro. And once you've opened up the pro mode on the OKX app, you simply click on deposits to be able to deposit some of your cryptocurrency assets. Any of the cryptocurrency assets listed here can be taken in, swapped, and used for trading. So let's say you were to receive some Ethereum. After you received your Ethereum on whatever network, ERC20, after you received this Ethereum, you then simply swap it down to USDT, which after swapping to USDT or any other token that can go on the Floki pair, you simply click on this trade icon right here. And once you've clicked on the trade icon, you simply click on Floki/USDT or whatever is written up here. You click on that and search for Floki USDT. So we're going to be using our available USDT to purchase our Floki. And if your cryptocurrency asset is still in your on your funding wallets, because whatever you deposit here goes straight to funding, you simply move it from your funding directly into trading. You can select the cryptocurrency asset and move it. So once that's done, once you've moved it down to the trading section, you simply input the amount of Floki you'd like to trade in exchange for your USDT. So you simply click on Buy Floki. And it turns out the minimum is 100,000 Floki, which is equivalent to $3, I guess, $3 and some cents. So what you're going to do is deposit extra here. And after depositing those extra currencies, you're going to be able to then buy the Floki Inu and take some good trades and make some good profit. Whatever profit you make from here is what you're going to receive. So if you were to buy the Floki, or rather sell the Floki or sell the USDT, you would then in exchange make some Floki or make some USDT. Alright guys, that's how you can simply buy the Floki Inu on the OKX platform. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.